Ready for the summer? Dive into the Majestic experience. As the sun starts to shine a little brighter and the days grow longer, we bet you're dreaming about those refreshing summer dips, aren't you? Well, we've got something that will make your backyard the ultimate summer hotspot, the Majestic. A gem from the treasure trove of San Juan Pools, the Majestic is an exquisite blend of a traditional rectangular and oval pool design. Its unique shape allows a wider swimming area right in the center, perfect for a splashy playtime or those serene floating moments. Ideal for beginners and intermediate swimmers alike, this modern marvel comes with a safe depth of 5-6 inches at the deep end. Safety and fun? Absolutely, with the Majestic. With an impressive layout of 428 square feet and a generous capacity of up to 13,500 gallons, there's ample room for everyone to dive in and make a splash. It's like having your very own water park in the backyard. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.